What are the types of SSL stripping attack? Two common types of SSL stripping attacks exist: passive and active. Let's dive into more technical details and explore each attack. Passive SSL stripping. In a passive SSL stripping attack, the attacker intercepts the communication between the user and the website without modifying any data. Here's a breakdown of the process. The user initiates a connection to the website using HTTPS, but the attacker intercepts this connection. The hacker then performs an SSL downgrade attack by manipulating the response headers sent back to the user's browser. Once the connection is downgraded, the attacker can intercept and view the entire communication between the user and the website. The attacker silently collects the intercepted data for malicious purposes, such as identity theft, account compromise, or unauthorized access to sensitive resources. Active SSL stripping. Active SSL stripping attacks go a step further by not only downgrading the connection to HTTP but also modifying the content of the web pages exchanged between the user and the website. Here's a more detailed explanation. The attacker intercepts the user's HTTPS connection and downgrades it to HTTP, similar to passive SSL stripping. In active SSL stripping, the hacker actively alters the content of the web pages exchanged between the user and the website. They can use various techniques, such as changing links. The attacker modifies links within the web page to point to insecure HTTP URLs instead of secure HTTPS URLs. Injecting malicious code. The attacker can insert malevolent JavaScript or HTML code into the web page to capture user input or steal sensitive data. Redirecting the user. The attacker may redirect the user to a fake website that mimics the legitimate one, a classic phishing attack with potentially dire consequences. Active SSL stripping attacks are more dangerous than passive attacks because they involve content manipulation and can lead to additional exploitation and compromise of the user's information.